So in this video, I'm going to look at this case with screen protector for your Apple Watch. There's a lot of them that come inside right here, so I'm going to show you guys. So as you can see, we have a lot of wipes right here which you can use to clean off your Apple Watch, and we have a lot of wide range of screen protector right here. As you can see, you have a lot of different colors, all of them. So any one of your choice, you can just slot them onto your watch. So let's look at this red one right here. As you can see, so we have a screen protector glass on right here. This is made from plastic, as you can see. So it feels pretty sturdy. So I'm going to try it on my watch right now to see actually how it works and let you guys see how it looks. So I have my Apple Watch right here. So first, I'm going to remove this little plastic from the inside. It's like a screen protector. Also, we have a glass on here as well. So ensure that all of the little debris from your watch is clean. Now, I'm going to use one of these wipes. My watch face is not really that dirty, so I don't really need much of a wipes to wipe it. So I'm going to install this one right now. So just like so, put it to the side. Make sure that this part right here cover. Then just clip it on, and it looks something like this. As you guys can see, look perfect on it. Just give it that extra layer of protection. And we have a lot of different color right here. So if you decide to just today you want to wear a different color watch, even though this right here is a silver, you can just swap them out, change any one that you like. And yeah, I'm loving them. I'm gonna try a few more to see how it look as well. And this will not basically scrape up your watch. And let's see, I'm gonna try this one right here. Just slap it on because this is kind of blending with this color. So let me try this one right here. We're gonna slide this on. Just like so. And now you can see that it's well protected as well. So I'm gonna slap it on my hand right there. So it makes your watch feel a bit bigger. So give it that extra bigness. Even though this is a 41mm, it makes it look more bigger on your arm. And this is how it look. I love this red one more. I'm gonna try it on back. And you see guys, we still can touch our screen right there with this screen protector on. And guys, that's how it look. So I hope you guys find this video very helpful. We have a lot of them in the comment right here. Look really great. So we have a lot of different watch faces that you can choose from. So you can rock any color that you want, and they are looking really nice. I'm loving this right here.